Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you long loose curl pattern wig. This is a lace front wig. And this is how it looks. Just natural curl pattern. This is like in the middle of the wave and curl. It looks very natural. And this color is natural color, which means unprocessed hair, so you can dye, bleach, perm, everything you want. And it comes 4 colors: the mixed brown, natural color, jet black, and off black. And this is made of 100% human hair, which is virgin Remy Brazilian hair. So you can apply heat on it. So pretty. Okay, let's start to take a look at the details. Ta-da! This is the lace. The lace is very soft and thin. And this is the front side. It has wide lace front, so you can part any way you want. And inside, it has silk base. This is not a lace. It's a silk. It's very soft and smooth. And both ear tabs, the silk base is coated on both ear tabs. And layers are all the way through forehead line right here. And 2 combs at the front side. And 1 comb at the nape side. An adjustable band right here. And it has breathable stretch cap. It's very soft. And this is the texture. It's very soft. And if you put the products like the curling mousse or wig shine or curling gel, you can get more defined curls. I think this is natural looking. It's more better. So pretty. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.